Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Ebony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all of my must-try vegan snacks. I get asked all the time, what do I eat when I snack, or what do I eat when I'm having a cheat day, or whatever the case is. So right now I'm going to show you guys what I indulge in when I'm just hungry and I want to pick up something quick from the store, or I want to have a snack. Everything can't be clean and green all the time. You know, some days you just want to stuff your face, you know what I mean? And it's okay to have those days as long as you pick yourself back up. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm really gonna enjoy some of these snacks in here. So let's get started. So number one, these, I can eat these literally every single day. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've had weeks where I do eat these every single day. These are gluten-free, they're vegan, they're non-GMO. It's plant-based protein because it's made from chickpeas, no soy. These are really good. I used to eat Cheetos in college. I would literally eat them every single day out the freaking vending machine. Like, I'm not even joking. So it feels good to have, like, not completely guilt-free, but a damn near guilt-free vegan white cheddar puff. If there's one thing I'm gonna eat after this video and body, it's gonna be these. So these are in no particular order. I'm literally just grabbing stuff out of the bag. Another salty must-have. Okay, I don't eat Lay's potato chip. I don't eat Frito-Lay. So these right here, these are giving Lay's potato chips a run for their money. Number one, these are organic. Number two, they melt in your mouth. And they're made with sea salt, which is like always a plus because I try to stay away from table salt. So good, like, and most of the time I'm shopping at Whole Foods, and Whole Foods does not sell Lay's potato chips. So this is my go-to for potato chips. It's either these or it's the Kettle Jalapeno Chips. Those are dangerous. Those are very, very dangerous. Those hit the spot. You cannot put a bag of those in front of me. I'ma eat the whole bag. Those are also A1 in my book. They don't taste like, you know, some of this vegan bullshit that's out here that literally has no flavor. For the most part, like, vegan food, like, you really just have to, some of the stuff is hit or miss. You know what I mean? Like, some of the stuff, you really look at the bag like, why did they say that this was such and such? Because this does not taste anything like that. Another salty, you know, little snack. These, see, I'm the type of person, like, I go in like waves. Like, 1 minute I'll be on these, the next minute I'm on these, the next minute I'm on these. Like, love, love, love Cheezits, and these remind me of Cheezits. Even though it says a sun-dried tomato basil, these taste like Cheezits to me. Like, if I'm being honest, the ingredients are amazing. Like, how can you go wrong with these? These with some vegan white cheddar cheese? Are you kidding me? These bust with hummus, they bust with vegan cheese, they bust alone, they bust with soup. Like, my family and friends, they be acting like these don't taste good. Like, as far as these, my parents tried them and were like, ew, and then my best friend tried it and was like, ew. So these are really like hit or miss just off those personal factors. To me, they taste like pork rinds. I'm sorry. That's what it's giving for me. I can literally eat these right out the pack, and I'm gonna kill a whole pack. They're basically like seaweed chips. They're crispy roasted. This is what they look like. It's like a flat, on top of the fact that seaweed is so nutrient abundant. But let me watch it with this because seaweed tends to like stick to my teeth. Onto the sweets. I have, some of y'all might not even be vegan and you want these. Boomchickapop popcorn, they came in and they changed the game. I don't know where they came from. I feel like they're a recent company. I never used to see them, like, ever. I don't know if it's because I'm vegan now. This popcorn, I need it bottomless. Like, I need it to never end. Especially this kind, the purple bag. Like, you have to look for the purple bag. The light kettle corn one do not bust like this one. You know the kettle corn that be at festivals and stuff, it's like hot and fresh. This is that, but at home, any day of the week, whenever you please. And it's vegan. Like, it's not even like you eating dairy butter. You're having healthy fun. What more can you ask for? 70 calories per cup. That don't even matter. Movie night, I don't want to be bothered night. Whatever you feeling like, this popcorn is gonna get you through it, okay? You can't just have a handful. I tried to get the little to-go bags. What was the point? What was the point of that? That literally did not last me. Like, it did not. And I was just like, what is the reason? A girl like me came from 250 pounds. I gotta have a good cookie. This is it. These cookies, the toasted pecan. Are you kidding me? Vegan, gluten-free. I literally can't ask for anything else. It's sweetened with organic coconut sugar. Like, how much healthier do you want a cookie to be? You need something to pair with your vegan ice cream. You just want some cookies and milk. You just want a little something sweet after work. They're a must try. I promise you, I wouldn't lead you in the wrong direction. These are amazing. Mess around and have these with some milk or with like some coffee or some tea. Like something that's just gonna help dissolve it. I'm not eating bad. Like, some people be like, oh, vegan this, vegan that looks nasty. Like, no, honey. I'm eating good. I'm eating good. What else? The vegan life is good. Hella good. Like I said, I have a sweet tooth, okay? So every single day, I gotta have like something, like whether it's a smoothie or it's a chai latte, I gotta have something that's gonna like sweeten me up. Some people make it so hard for themselves. This lifestyle is easy when you have companies like this making such amazing desserts. Like, the ingredients are amazing. It's almond flour, coconut, agave, coconut sugar, coconut flour, lemon juice, orange juice, sea salt, extra virgin coconut oil. Like, you do not need to go and get a lemon cake from the store or something crazy that is probably hella fattening, has a bunch of dairy, it's gonna constipate you, it's just gonna cause all types of problems, when you could grab something like this. Go pick some of these up. I promise you, if you like sweets, they're gluten-free, they're vegan. I'm telling you, they have to be kept in the refrigerator. This is how they look. They also have a peanut butter flavor. This was the first flavor I ever tried. They have a sweet potato flavor, which I have yet to try. Body. They body this. It's like the perfect combo of sweet and salty. I promise y'all, everything in this video is good. I wouldn't lead you in the wrong direction. Like, not about no food. For my Reese cup lovers, my chocolate lovers, I used to love chocolate. Well, I realized dairy drives my body crazy. My body does not like it. Coconut, cacao, coconut sugar, cocoa butter, and Himalayan sea salt. Life don't get no better. Cacao has so many nutrients. Like, we should be getting as close to cacao as possible. Like, the cacao plant is rich in iron, it's rich in so many nutrients. Like, this is how you have your cacao and you get that sweetness, not a Reese's cup with all that milk and all that corn syrup. I'm telling you, it's not good for you. This is gonna get you right. If you guys think that you would try any of these snacks, make sure you guys leave me a comment. If you have tried them, let me know how you like them in the comments. Give this video a like. This is all that I have for right now. I will make a part 2 to this video because I could not put all of my snacks in this video. I would have probably spent almost damn near $300–400. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next